What's up guys, it's Boost Kid and I am back with another video. As you guys can tell by the title, I am bringing you another laced up Hypebeast Mystery Box. I've been getting a good amount of views and a good amount of thumbs up on my videos, so I'm going to keep bringing these boxes out. As you can tell, I have got the $1,500 mystery box, so this one should definitely be interesting. It includes Bape, Supreme, one pair of shoes. They say it can include like vintage gear, Louis Vuitton. So with that being said, let's not waste some time and get into this. Here is the box. It is pretty heavy. It has some solid weight to it. The package says that this does weigh 16 pounds, so this is a pretty like heavy box. Let me get a knife. Does look like we do have a lot of stuff in here. The box is filled all the way to the top. And let's get into this. First item. Alright, sweet. This is the Supreme Flask. This did release this season. I believe this is like going for about 60 or 70 bucks or something like that. Here's the next item, and it is a Baby Milo plush toy. Little stuffed animal of Baby Milo. I'm assuming this doesn't go for much, maybe around like 40 bucks at the most, maybe 50. And here's another accessory. So here we have a Supreme toothbrush. This was a free item for last season. These go for around 10 to 20 bucks. And then here we have a Baby Milo notebook. I'm assuming this doesn't go for more than $40 either. So on the inside you have this little notepad along with all these little sticky notes right there. So this is a pretty cool piece. Here we got a laced up box logo sticker and another accessory. Alright, this is pretty cool. This is like a little coin bag, the zipper on the back. This is from the Supreme Undercover collab. Here we have a laced up lanyard and some more bonus gear from Laced Up. So these are actually the free items that come with your order in every box. Alright, so this is the 3D effect logo. I did get two of these shirts, one in my first box and one in my second. This one is a hoodie, so shout out to Laced Up. I really like this and I'm looking forward to wearing this. Here we have this is a drawstring bag, a Bape drawstring bag. So this is pretty sick. I like the color. It's not too flashy. You have this simple basic ape face on there. It says Busy Works WGM, a bathing ape in lukewarm water. The back side of it has nothing on it, and you do have these black drawstrings. Here we have one Supreme tennis ball. So here we have the Supreme Hellraiser keychain, the guy that has all the spikes over his face. This little turtle dove keychain, a Bape keychain as well. And we have this, I'm pretty sure this is from the Sumo. So this is the Supreme Sumo sticker, along with multiple Supreme box logos. Here we have a Bape tee. They have this priced at $160. So this is just the regular Bape college tee. Oh, this is actually a long sleeve. So I'd say this is probably worth around $130. And here we have another Bape tee. This one is quite colorful. They have this one priced at $130. This is a regular tee, yellow with the pink babe face, and on the back you have the outline of the face in black. Here we got another bait mask, same one I got in my other box, except for this one does not have the shark face on it, it is just the green camo. And here is another one that is pink camo. The second bag is a pair of shoes. Here we got two more laced up box logo stickers. The pair of shoes is a Kobe Proto Undefeated, so I'm sure I know what these are. Hopefully they're the camo ones. No, they're not, but they are the white pair. I'm not going to complain about these, but these do have some good value to them. As you can tell, they have these priced at $420. So this is not a bad shoe right here. Not my type of shoe, but it does have good value. And here, it did say one shoe. And here is another pair of shoes. This is a Jordan 1 box, size 11. Hopefully this is something good. Alright, this isn't bad. This is a pair of Jordan 1 gold toes. These did drop in value a bit. They're worth about like $240, maybe $220 in this size. But again, not a hard shoe to sell. Very popular shoe. And here is the last and final bag. So this is a bonus, according to them. This is an Ape beanie. So Ape is kind of like a cheaper version of Bape. It's more affordable for people. That is like the American flag. It has the stars at the top with the red, white, and blue, with this little puff ball on top. All it says is Ape with the Ape logo right there. Alright, this is sweet. So this is a Supreme box logo beanie. This is from the latest Supreme box logo release. As you guys can tell, this is the brown with the blue box logo. They have this priced at $150, and I'm sure it goes around like $100, $120. Here is another accessory, and this is a Supreme shoulder bag, also from this season. Still has tags on it, so dead stock. They have this priced at $160. Both all the restocks that have been happening, this does go for, I'm pretty sure it goes for less than that, maybe $130 or $140. And here we do have another Bape tee. They have this one priced at $150. So it's just a black tee with the shark face on the front, and around the mouth has the green camo, and it has a zipper going through the middle of its face. And that's it for today's video, guys. If you guys want to buy one of these mystery boxes, I will link it down below. Again, this is the $1,500 box. I'm happy of what I've gotten in this. This is not a bad box at all. I'm actually very pleased with everything that came in here. So with that being said, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Please leave a like and subscribe, and thank you for watching if you have made it this far. Have a good day. I'll see you next video. Peace.